When retrieving stock from the freezer, always remember to follow the first in, first out rule. Check the date codes and prioritize using the oldest fries first. Now that our stock is properly stored, let's shift our focus to your oil. The quality of your cooking oil also plays a vital role in the outcome of your fries, so it's essential to maintain it in optimum condition. There are 3 factors to consider: cleanliness, quality, and of course, temperature. It's essential to maintain these during your daily prep routine, and remember, cutting corners will save you in the long run. Let's go to the first part, the condition of the oil. If the oil is old or dark, don't use it. This could lead to poor quality fries. And you want to keep consistency with clean oil and fresh oil to have an excellent product every time. It's important to inspect the basket of your deep fryer to ensure that there are no broken wires. The chips can fall out and get burned, but more than that, it's also a safety risk in the kitchen. A damaged basket can affect the flavor and presentation of your fries, so let's keep them in top shape. Equally important is maintaining the right oil level. Too little oil will result in uneven cooking and, of course, raw chips. Too much oil will result in spluttering and extra cleanup, and really, who needs extra cleanup? Always remember to top up the oil only when the fryer is switched off and the oil is completely cold. These small but important steps help ensure that every batch of fries is perfectly cooked with the quality and taste that you strive for. Let's make sure our fryer is right on target. Start by checking the fryer's thermometer and compare it with your handheld one. It's essential that these readings match up. If the temperature is too high, your fries might cook too quickly and end up crispy outside with raw in the middle. On the other hand, if it's too low, your fries will absorb excess oil and turn out soggy. Got it? Perfect. Now that we've got everything in check, let's get cooking and make some delicious, perfectly crispy fries. For perfect fries every time, cook them straight from frozen because thawing can cause uneven results. Fill a basket halfway with frozen fries to ensure even oil circulation, preventing raw spots and overcooked edges. This way, you'll get consistently delicious fries with a perfect crunch. Speaking of fantastic fries, McCain has a range of fantastic products designed to make your life easier and your menu stand out. First up, we have McCain Original Choice, your everyday favorite that simplifies catering with stress-free preparation and unbeatable convenience. These products are all about delivering consistent quality that keeps your customers coming back for more. For a touch of flair, McCain Menu Signatures is your go-to for making a statement. This range offers a variety of standout products that elevate your menu and set you apart from the crowd. Let's consider specific cuts. The McCain 10mm by 20mm Stay Crisp Rustic Cut Fries are perfect. These large, flat-cut fries come with a gluten-free coating, providing premium texture, taste, and presentation. They cover your plate beautifully and offer excellent value. For something a bit different, try the McCain Crispers. These unique, patented V-cut wedges are perfect for dipping, sharing, or just enjoying on their own. With their clear coating and skin-on texture, they deliver a rustic, wholesome taste that's hard to beat. Plus, their high yield and profitability make them a smart choice for any menu. And if you're looking to truly revolutionize your chip experience, check out the McCain Sure Crisp 10mm. Thanks to its innovative plant-based coating, these fries stay crispy for up to 30 minutes, whether they're for delivery, takeout, or dine-in. This means your customers can enjoy perfectly crisp and delicious fries no matter where they are. I couldn't resist sharing our amazing fries with you. They truly are special. But let's focus on the task at hand. The key to the perfect fries is consistency in cooking. It's very important to follow the cooking instructions. They are on the box, and you want to do that to avoid excess oil absorption. Keep a close eye on them and make sure they remain submerged in the oil long enough to get that perfect crispness. Always remember to turn your fryer off when not in use to save energy. And then also remember to turn your temperature back up when you're ready to fry again. And always, very important, fry to order. That way your customer is guaranteed a fresh, hot, crisp McCain chip every single time. If you're thinking about double frying, we really wouldn't recommend that because that can result in soggy, oily chips and burnt chips too. And it's also not economical with today's high oil prices. Rather fry in small batches on order to ensure quality and crispiness every single time. Use the rest of the cooking time to prep the rest of your meal to ensure a smoother kitchen operation. Once the frying time is up, gently shake the fries and let them drain over the fryer for up to 10 seconds. This brief moment helps remove any excess oil, ensuring your fries come out crisp and not soggy. After draining, transfer the fries to the scuttle or the holding station. Your aim is to achieve fries that are crispy and golden on the outside while remaining soft and fluffy on the inside. If you need to keep them warm under heat lamps, limit this to a maximum of 5 minutes to preserve their quality. Leaving the fries out for too long can lead them to becoming cold and soggy, which impacts your profitability. To illustrate this, we conducted a test where we held fries in the scuttle for 10 minutes and compared them to freshly fried fries. The result? We found that fries held for 10 minutes resulted in 17% fewer portions per case compared to those served fresh. The longer fries sit, the less crispy they get, leading to lower yields and impacting profitability. For fries that stay crispy longer, talk to your McCain representative about McCain's signature coated fries or Sure Crisp, designed to hold a crunch. They may cost a bit more, but maintain heat and crispiness longer, making them ideal for holding and takeout. Here's a quick reminder. McCain is dedicated to understanding the evolving needs of both businesses and end consumers through in-depth research. Knowing what your customers want is crucial to running a successful operation. Our success depends on your customers' satisfaction. Happy customers keep coming back, leading to consistent long-term profitability. McCain simplifies finding the perfect products for your business, helping you put together an effective menu more efficiently. Now, let's address hidden costs. Inconsistency in your fries can lead to customer complaints and significant long-term consequences. Each subpar portion files away at your reputation. While complaints can be an opportunity to resolve this, unaddressed problems result in lost customers. Unhappy customers don't always voice their dissatisfaction, they just don't return. Whether you serve or discard them, bad fries directly impact your profits. The best way to avoid this is by always cooking to order and preparing only what you need. While raw ingredients may seem cost-effective, once you add labor for preparation and wastage, that results in a lower yield. McCain's frozen products actually deliver better consistency, quality, and value. McCain products provide the same level of back-of-house appearance your customers know and love without all the added prep and handling.